What's up, YouTube? It's F-Bombs Balisongs here. This is the last time I'm making this goddamn video because I've tried to make it like 17 times. And it's 4 in the morning, so this is the last time. This is a collection video for 2022. And I'm going to do this one for all the knives I got now. And then I'm going to do another one at the end of the year. And it's going to show off all the knives that I've gotten since then. It might be a lot, it might be a little bit, but we won't see until then. So here we go. Let's start with this new one I just got. This is the Pirate by Atropos, which is a Russian company. It's wonderful. I love this thing. It's very balanced. And the blade is just beautiful. Sandwich construction with carbon fiber handles, no metal in them. It's got that latch at the end, which makes all the noise. And then it's got those nice tang pins there. So it seems like they're pressed in nice. But yeah, this thing's cool. It's really light and it's very balanced. Does fans really well. I never like to flip around live blades so much just because I'm a wuss and don't like to cut myself. That's just me. But this thing's super nice, and I had to pick it up for that blade profile because I love it, love it, love it. There's that one. Next up, we got this Falcon by the One. This one's channel with tang pins. No, Zen pins. My bad. This one's Zen pins. I always get that mixed up for some reason. Oh. But yeah, this one's awesome, awesome, awesome. It's really light, but it still flips really well. If I can flip, I'm tired. This one right here is the Spyderco Small Fly 2. It's got G10 handles, sandwich construction with tang pins, actually tang pins. Not a very fun flipper, just because it's got a weird handle shape and the blade's got no weight in it, and it's small, so there's not really a lot of grip, but it's okay. I liked it, so I picked it up. Here's the BB Barfly Pro V3. Got etched handles. It's sandwich with Zen pins and runs off bushings. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This thing's awesome. Always love to pick that up. Here's the Squiddy Bee by Squid Industries. This is a channel with Zen pins and runs off of strictly phosphorus washers. It's a good ass knife, but it's super light. Here's the Firefly by BB Barfly. Their channel construction knife with tang pins. Which is cool. I really like this one a lot. It just feels nice in the hands. Feels really solid. and it's got bushings. So yeah, you know I love that one. And then last but not least, my first knife, the Curta Lucha. This one's sandwich with Zen pins, and it is really heavy, and it has ball bearings, and other than that, I can't think of anything else to say in this video, other than I have a bunch of knives, and they're mostly all Balisongs. And these are them. So, yeah, I think that's the last time I'm going to record this video. And I think I'm probably going to end it in a couple minutes. But, just wanted to say thank you for watching the video, if you did, all the way through. And, look forward to watching more of my content. I'm going to post some more vlog type shit. Probably flipping this one, and this one, and this one. Because I don't really pick up either of these or either of these very much. It's mostly just these three that are my main flippers. The 2 by BB Barfly and the 1. But I'm planning on picking up the 1 JK Orca clone, because that seems pretty cool, and the JK one's just out of this world expensive and not even available on the internet. Also looking at trying to get some other knives, possibly one by an Irish company. And then the other one was the Australian company Glider. So we'll see what happens with those, but in the meantime, these are my knives. And I will see you when I get to flipping again. Later, YouTube.